Hello guys, another beautiful day here at Blue Gum Auto Garage. Today we have a Nissan Note that came in with a suspected wheel bearing issue. The customer was experiencing an unusual noise while driving. So our first step was to carry out a thorough inspection to accurately identify the source of the problem. We carefully checked each wheel, comparing side to side to confirm exactly which bearing was worn out before proceeding with any repairs. During the inspection, we also discovered that the brake pads were completely worn out and needed immediate replacement. Safety always comes first, so we removed the old brake pads and fitted a brand new set. As you can see, the installation process is underway and the vehicle is almost ready to get back on the road. After the repairs, we'll carry out the final test to ensure the noise has been eliminated and the vehicle is performing as it should. If you're hearing any unusual noise from your wheels or suspension, don't ignore them. Visit us at Blue Gum Auto Garage and let our team diagnose and fix the problem professionally. Kama kawa, fundi ni mjamo, karibuni Blue Gum Auto Garage.